Hey guys, and welcome back to another crochet vlog or crochet productive vlog that we're going to be doing finishing up some projects or just making progress on some of my crochet projects that I've started. On the menu today, I'm gonna start my daughter's crochet pants, and I honestly want to finish them today. I'm not sure. I'm going to be using this color yarn, and then I'm going to be adding this. So it's going to be two different mixed color yarns. I do have more of this, but I just wanted to change it up. It's just some pants to lounge around the house in. Also on the project today, I want to make some progress on my shorts. I will show you guys that in another clip. But for right now, I'm working on the waistband. My daughter's turning 4 tomorrow. So I'm like, let me just crochet her some pants. She could possibly wear them tomorrow. We're not going anywhere, we're not doing nothing crazy, but hopefully I finish these by later. Today is Tuesday, April 9th. No, April 8th, sorry. It's Tuesday, April 8th, and let's see what we can finish by Friday.
I'm tired. Now that I have my freedom, I'm not too bad. Wow. But when I'm hungry. So. This is our cream. She's doing very well. I'm gonna leave her. Patience is a bitch. I'm gonna leave her for a bit. She might like me. What are you doing? Oh, the top isn't at the side.
Hey guys, I don't even know, I'm tired. Either way, I'm about to head to school, so I'm gonna show you guys when I get there. I need to get these nails off. I cut them down. They really need to come off. But I'm gonna show you guys the progress for the pants. They're almost done. Let's see, better lighting. They're almost done. So yeah, that's what they're looking like right now. I'm about to go to school, and that's gonna be what it's gonna be for the day. I'm gonna crochet some more, or I think I'm gonna go live while I'm at school, but I'm gonna head to the library first, and I'm gonna show you guys once I get to school. Hey guys, so it's later. I forgot to pick the camera up when I went back to school, but I did go on live. So if you wanted to see what I was doing while I was at school, you can see it on live. And then I did work on a hat. I finished most of it, I would say. I just have to do the ruffles on the end. I'll show you guys that later, whether it's finished or I'll show you the progress that I made. I did use a mixed color yarn. I'll show you that later, hopefully. I'm not feeling well. But I did want to come on and just give an update. My kids are doing whatever right now. I don't even care. That's what the noise is in the background. And then I'm gonna finish the pants later. Hopefully I feel a little better. So yeah, I'm gonna try to take a nap, and then and try to work on the pants. Also, I have to say, whether she sees this video or not, I have been watching a new crochet girly, Corrente. If you ever see my video, just know, girly, I love your videos. Me and my daughter are watching videos. And I will be looking at your tutorial and making one of your hats. So yeah, just a little shout out to her. If you guys haven't been put on to her, I'll put it on you guys on right now. And I can't wait to see your channel do big things. But she's already doing big things. No little channel, big channel. Okay, guys, I'm tired. Bye. Okay, guys, so I finished the pants. These are the pants. Pick the camera up so you guys can see. These are the pants. I finished them. They're very cute. There's a 4 on the front of them. And then I finished the hat. I just gotta tuck the strings. And it's really cute. It's a children's hat. Thank you guys for watching my video. I just want to show you again everything that I made. I did make another hat, but it's not shown in this video. And I'm working on a blanket, a cardigan, and a bag. So I did the pants. I made this bag. I know it matches the hat and the pants, but it's not for my daughter. This bag is for whoever. I don't know. If someone wants to buy it, let me know. I made this cute little ruffle hat for my daughter. I made this other hat for my other daughter. I made a matching one for myself. I don't know where it was at that point, so I didn't show it. Ironically, I made this hat first, and then I made everything else. But I think I'm going to add some of the yellow ruffles onto the bottom of the pants, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Here is the cardigan that I started. Thank you guys for watching.